Hello children, today Teacher Carrie add on a mic here to let you hear better. Hello, can you hear? Okay, so after you hear the big fat cat story, so you like it? It's just like a magic, right? It turn the color after eat different type of vegetable. So, do you want to bring the cat home? But the cat that with you is different because it's magic cat. So everybody will have different type of cats. So you have to do it by yourself. The cat say it will send a friend for you, but you have to do it by yourself. Need your magic hand too. So look. You can have daddy cat, you can have mommy cat or grandma cat, whatever, or you can have a tiny little baby cat, and you can have a sister cat. Can you see? So the size Teacher Carrie will not fix. Whatever you have, then you can do. Okay, you want to know how to do it? Okay, let's go. I will show you how to do. Okay, children. So first, if you have toilet roll, you can straight away use toilet roll. So if your house say, oops, I just throw away the toilet roll. So how? Don't worry, any cardboard can do. Okay, you can cut into different rectangle size to make different cats. So, if you have no toilet roll, you can use any cardboard that you have, any cards, but you have to glue it before you do. Or you can color first. Okay, let's say if you want the cat to be an orange cat, then you can color. You can use crayon. Or pen. Or paint. Whatever your house have, you can use. Not necessarily must crayon. So today I will show you with crayons. You can use crayon to color, or you can use the watercolor. So for watercolor, you can hold like this, put your finger in, and you paint it. Whatever color you liked, then you have to dry it before you continue. Or you can use color pencil if you don't have any other. Okay, you can do like this. If you hold this way, then it's easy and you won't dirty everywhere. Okay. So this is the toilet roll, and you can let it dry. And this one, if you use crayon or any other color pencil, then after you color, you have to roll it like a toilet roll. Okay, you can make it thin or you can make it fat. Anything, any size. Okay, then you have to use glue or yoo-hoo if you have to hold the shape. Okay, remember after you use the color, you have to send the color back to the house. Don't throw everywhere. Okay, try to keep the tables clean. Okay, this part you have to hold it, or you can blow it to let it dry faster. Okay, so if you don't have toilet roll, you can use this way. If you have toilet roll, then it's much easier. You can straight away color on the toilet roll. So now you have two different sizes of the cat. After you've done, you have to press the head, the top part. Okay, make it a shape. Okay, can you see? Okay, you have to fold it because the cat ear is sharp. So you just use your finger, your pointer, to press it down and make a shape. You can choose one side that you like to be the front. Okay? So now, since the color's dry, I can do this too. Just press and press to make the ears. Okay, you see? This is taller. And this is fat. So this is a fat cat and this is a thin and tall cat. Okay. So now, after you have done, if you have any other recycle item in the house, like ribbon or anything, or button or any cloth, you can decorate for the cat to wear rather than you draw. Okay, if you have nothing, then you can draw. Okay, so now let's draw. You can use, because crayon is a bit difficult, so you have to use marker. Okay, if this is the grandpa cat, can have all wrinkled on the head, and it is old, so wear spectacle. But of course, some grandpa is still very smart and young, right? So if you have mustache, you can have mustache. And you can have a little mouth. Okay, this is my grandpa's cat. Maybe your grandpa is more handsome than mine. So, and if you want, you can do something for grandpa to wear, or maybe let's make a shirt for grandpa, a collar shirt. Okay, so grandpa can be more handsome. Okay, so this is the grandpa cat. Okay, you can add on the ears to make it more like a cat. Okay, so this is my grandpa cat. So how about this? Maybe can be a sister cat. They're very cute. Ribbon on the head. And always happy and smile. Beautiful cat. Of course, you can make a beautiful dress for this lovely cat. Okay, so since I have a ribbon with me, maybe I can put on for her to make like a scarf. anything you can do. Not necessary must exactly follow what Teacher Carrie do here. Maybe you have better idea than mine. Okay? So, if this part, you can cut it off. Okay. So you will have a beautiful scarf for this lovely little cat. Look, is that nice? Okay, if you want to add on color, also can, you know. This is free, anything you can do because it's your cat. Can have a heart-shaped button, what the girls like, right? Okay, so anything you can do. And this, what you can do with this craft, you can be like a puppet. Okay, you can play with it. You can be a happy family. And you can tell story for daddy and mommy with all these lovely puppets with you. It's simple and nice to do. So you see, I have colorful cats just like the story. The cat in the story, it will change color, but I can use my magic hand to color all those cats in different and lovely color. So don't worry that you have no toilet roll. Any cuts you can do and you can find that, and use your magic hand or your color pencil or your crayon or any marker or magic color pens or paint to done all this craft in the house to make your holidays not so boring. But still remember to be aware of the virus, must wash your hand always and be good. Hope you like the cat and see you again. Hello children, so hope you like the craft that Teacher Carrie teach you just now, and remember you can play with it. You can tell daddy mommy a story with all this little puppet cats, a colorful cat that you have, and must remember to listen Teacher Carrie's story. I will keep update for you, nice story, and must remember to miss me. I will see you again. Goodbye.